messed up you are. Got me singing like I'm Yoda.
Mot Eriksson Racing. Idag ska vi skruva lite BMW. Börja förbereda oss för säsongen 2024. Förhoppningsvis så hittar vi inte några stora problem. Men det är väl alltid något som är trasigt på såna här tävlingsbilar. Vi får helt enkelt se.
Good company to each other. Narrator of my dreams. Make it make sense. On the outside I don't seem like anything less. Will someone ever tag along for the ride? Will someone ever tag along for the ride? Calm as you are, we'll listen to your favorite tune in your car. Why try to change me now? Time based but no time for us. Loud bitch, bad bars. You were scared to get me down. I trust my mama, you're no match for my bad karma. Broken shards of glass on our tongues. I'm far too scary to be what you like. Will someone ever tag along for the ride? Will someone ever tag along for the ride? Calm as you are, we'll listen to your favorite tune in your car. Why try to change me now? Time based but no time for us. Loud bitch, bad bars. You were scared to kept me trust my mama, you're no match for my bad karma. Messed up you are, got me singing like I'm Yoda. You wish we aren't good company to each other. Narrator of my dreams, make it make sense. On the outside I don't seem like anything less. Will someone ever tag along for the ride? Will someone ever...
Ja, nu är vi i garaget. Motorn är ur. Och ska skruva sönder imorgon. Molly! Jag gillar inte att motorn är borta, va?
Nej, jag var lite småstressad. Det är jättejobbigt.
Molly! Hej!
along for the ride. Calm as you are, we'll listen to your favorite tune in your car. Why try to change me now? Time